In fact, at the factory studio training, we were saying, everybody was kind of, the other integrators and stuff were like, man, you guys, you really seem to like know what you're doing. And I said, listen, it's not, the difference is we changed the way we think. We're not any smarter than anybody else. The only difference is we have said we're only working with open architectures. And so when we work only with open architectures and we approach every project as one part of a bigger whole, as opposed to approaching a project as a scope of work, and I'm just going to hit these 10 deliverable bullet points, and I don't care about how that fits into the rest of the organization. We're not focusing on the company's strategy in any way, shape, or form. When we abandon that approach and we come in as consultants who are paying attention to everything, top to bottom, from the cloud all the way down to SCADA, through management, through the IT resources, through infrastructure, the whole deal, then we see we can approach problems from a completely different angle, and we are exposed to solutions that other people are not exposed to. We create solutions other people aren't creating, and so the learning curve is steep at first, but then it plateaus, and now all of a sudden you seem to have an answer for everything because you're using these open architecture solutions. I don't look at Factory Studio as a competitor of Ignition. I look at it as a sibling in the same ecosystem. And when you do that, you don't see it as either or. You see them as complementary. You see everything in this. You see this as not a stack. You don't see this as competing Siemens and Easy Racks. You see them as nodes in the same ecosystem.
Right. And that's why when Sean, started doing his open source PLC training in North Dakota, we weren't like, oh, what the heck is he doing trying to copy us? We're like, dude, that's awesome. That's what we should be doing
because he's contributing to the ecosystem. That's the point, right?